Hi guys, in this video we are going through question 3 for exercise 5i. The questions show us a rectangle here, and the first thing it asks us to do is to write an expression for the total area of the shape shown. Okay, so because let's start with what we know. Okay, because this is a rectangle, we know that the formula for the area of rectangle is the length, right, multiplied by the width. Okay, so what is our length and what is our width here? So our length would be at the top here, right? And also at the bottom, we've got two lengths. And what is it? So it says that, hey, we've got x here and then an extra 2. So how do we write x length with an extra 2? And that's going to be x plus 2, right? And then our width is going to be this one here. So that's equal to 3. So let's put everything that we know here, okay, into the formula for area. So our length, that's x plus 2. Okay. Now, remember, this is one whole group. Okay. This x plus 2 together is one whole group because that's the length, the total length. So we're going to put these in a pair of brackets and multiply by the width here, and the width is 3. So we have this one. So we can, now because this is multiplication, we can swap the order around a little bit. So that we can write this as 3 brackets x plus 2. Okay. Now, we can stop here because this is basically an expression for the area. Okay. Now, of course, you can also expand these brackets as well because we've learned about expansion. Okay. Expanding brackets. So remember what we do is we take the number outside and we multiply it by each of the terms that inside the bracket. Okay, the brackets. So we take the 3 and we multiply by the x, and then bring the plus sign out, and then again we take the 3 and we multiply it by the 2, and this is what we get. This 3 times x, that's going to give us 3x, plus 3 times 2, that's going to give us 6, right? And this is also correct, okay? So we actually have two possible answers here. They're the same thing, okay? I hope you can see that they are the same thing. It's just two different ways of writing an expression for the area. Okay, so if you have either of this one, that's awesome. Okay, and of course, we can check this one as well because we know that, hey, to calculate this area, the big area, we can also calculate the area of each of the smaller rectangles here. You can see that it's divided, right? So you have two rectangles here. And what is the area of this first one here? The area of this one, so length times width, it's going to be x times 3, which is 3x, right? And the area for this one, again, length times width, so 2 times 3, this is 6. So, and you can see that the area, the total area is 3x plus 6, right? Which is what we got. So there are multiple ways that you can do this question. And then for B, it says that if x is equal to 9, what is the area? So what we do here is we are substituting. So area Okay. Now I'm going to use, we can use either one of these, right? I'm going to use the first one there, x plus 2. Okay. So we're going to substitute x into x equal to 9 into here where the x is. And what do we have? We're going to have 3 times 9 plus 2. What is 9 plus 2? That's 11. So here we have 3 times 11. So what does this mean? So when x equal to 9, the length of this shape is 11. And so to calculate the area, it's going to be length times width, or width times length, which is 3 times 11, right? That's how this that's what this formula is saying. Okay, and 3 times 11 is 33. Now we don't know what kind of units this is, so we're just going to leave it as 33, right? So this is the area. So these are the answer, okay? And really, it doesn't really, for B here, you can use either one of these, and you should get the same answer, 33, okay? So I hope you can see that there can be multiple ways of getting to the same answer, okay? You can also have different answers that mean the same thing, okay? And you just have to choose the way that makes the most sense to you. All right, I hope this question helps you, and thank you for watching.